welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing really well. We are coming out after I think 1.5 weeks after coming back from Bombay. It's been so long because my parents fell sick and Mama is still kind of recovering. She's better but she's getting there. And we have come out to actually celebrate Savia's birthday. So we went out for lunch first. We wanted to spend time with each other. So I did not record much. Hey guys, they're helping me finish.
It should be there.
Yeah, I finished.
I have a fish bone also. You want a fish bone?
No, thank you. It's too much. And then we came to Mirdis. We wanted to look at something in Sephora and do window shopping. We didn't get anything. And then we sat in the food court for about 2 hours. And then a whole drama happened about watching the movie Kalki. It just released. So we were looking at tickets. But then there were no tickets available. We checked so many malls. Only the first 2-3 rows are available. And there's no fun watching a movie in the first few rows. We always go towards the back. So that plan was not working out for us. And then by the time we started talking about all of that, it became dinner time. So now we are going out for dinner, and I thought I'd start the vlog because we were having a lot of fun. So yeah, I'll take you guys around, and Mirdis looks so pretty. It's so good to be back home, you guys. Like the air, even in my last vlog I said the air is just different, okay? It feels nice to be out after being cooped up at home and dressing up and everything. It's good. Figured out where the food court is, so we came up I think 3 levels. Now we have to go down to P4. That's where we are going. Oops. So we are on our way to the food court, and look at this massive teddy bear. Would you call it a teddy bear?
It's a stuffed animal.
Stuffed animal. Beyonce is not interested.
Yeah,
Why?
I'm not.
Why?
It's just a showpiece.
It's cool though. Look how big it is. There are people standing next to it. Look at this cute cafe, you guys. It looks super fun. Having a discussion about what this was. We were a little further and we did not see the bees. And guess what Beyonce called it?
An eggplant. Because
An eggplant.
If you look at without the golden,
Yeah, just this.
it looks like an eggplant.
But I got it, you guys. Even before the bee, I said it's an upside down
She
flower.
cheated.
I didn't cheat. I didn't see the gold part.
Okay.
I swear. So yeah, that is a bee and a flower.
Beyonce, which one you want?
Oh, I was looking at that. I don't want beef.
Why?
Braised or normal beef?
What is the difference?
Braised is more tasty. Tastier beef.
Softer?
Is it softer? Okay. Yes.
Braised.
And then there is spicy and regular.
Spicy.
Spicy all the way.
Always.
Look what we found at this noodles restaurant.
Yeah.
It's literally everything is in Chinese.
That
So
is
cool. Beyonce saw this.
Pepsi is in Chinese.
Yeah. Is it good?
Really good.
Was the spice too much, Beyonce?
No.
No?
It's hot.
Abby, what's your reaction?
It's spicy as per Chinese.
Standard. Good?
Oh, then they will not give you next
No,
time.
it's okay. Tell. Abby has a secret.
So guys, so what I do is I start having my soup.
Yeah.
When the quantity reduces and I still have noodles, I go to them
And you get...
and I ask saying, it's too spicy. Can you give me some broth? And yeah, I
And
pour
they
them
give
up with
extra
this.
broth. better now. After coming back home, like always, I did not continue the vlog because we didn't do anything much. And like I mentioned in the previous clips where we were sitting in Mirdif in the food court and discussing on that we need to go for a movie called Kalki, and the seats were full, you guys, all the theaters. Otherwise we'd have to go to I think Abu Dhabi and Ras Al Khaimah and all to go watch a movie because the first row only was empty. The back seats were not empty like I mentioned earlier, and it's no fun watching a movie like that. But we got 4 seats. Otherwise, on I think Saturday when we had gone out and we wanted to watch a movie, there were seats but all individual. We won't be sitting together, and that time Abby and Savia were also with us, so then it would be like watching a movie alone. No fun again. So today Dada went online and checked and he was like, let's go for the movie. So that's where we are going right now. And I haven't even watched the trailer. Usually I'm the kind of person who does not like to know the story at all. For some reason, I just want to know the genre and who the actors are, that's it. But Mama did say that she saw reviews on TikTok and the reviews are pretty good about it. So I don't know now about reviews. It can be very mixed. Like sometimes it's for publicity and like they get paid to talk about reviews, and sometimes what movies people like our family might not like. So I will let you guys know what my opinion is about that. And I also wanted to talk about my hair, you guys. Okay, so my battery died, that's why mid-sentence I got cut off. Anyways, like I was saying, my hair. So this time when we went on vacation, I went to the salon to get my annual haircut or whatever, and my hair was very long. You guys can see, like in my birthday vlog, it's coming down till here. Just look at it now, you guys. I'll show you. That's it. That's how short it is. I was so mad about this, and that is why in Bombay, first of all, it's hot, so I didn't open my hair, but my hair would always be in a bun because I was so disappointed with the length of the hair. And even the haircut, like we go to the salon, I think last year we found the salon and he did such a good job last time, so this time I was very excited to go back and get like maybe 1 or 2 inches cut off. But this guy literally cut off like 5 to 6 inches, and I'm like, dude, what did you do? And this guy's like, no, it'll grow back. I'm like, yeah, now you say that, obviously there's no other way. Or yeah, I'm still pretty mad about it. So my hair, it's still, I like the haircut. I mean, I'm stuck with it. It'll take like a few months to grow back, but it's just hair. That's the only thing I'm telling myself. It's just hair. It'll grow back. At least it's not a bob cut or anything. It's pretty long still, if you can see. It's not very short. If it were shorter than this, I don't know how I would have reacted. In the salon itself, I was like, no, this is very short. Like even Mama's hair, he has cut it so freaking short. Oh my god. And Beyonce wanted short hair, and the funny part was her hair is the longest amongst all 3 of us, which is so weird. Anyways, that was the start of our trip. Like I think after going over there 3 days later, we went to the salon and we were so mad about it. But yeah, what to do? It's already done. Anyways, I'm going to stop now because we need to leave. Our movie is at 7:10 or something like that. So I still need to put on my shoes and everything, spray some perfume, and then we leave. Right now, and you guys, the difference in Bombay and UAE, there's traffic, okay, but you will not hear a single noise other than revs. The revs of sports cars, amazing. Other than that, you will not hear anything. It is so different. By no noise, I mean the honking. The honking is literally nil, 0. And right now it is also office hours time, but the traffic is like free flowing. It's not like Bombay. Oh sorry, office return hour time. Thank you, Mama. Russia? Okay, whatever. People are returning home after office and still it is free flowing, but maybe because this road is not full of traffic. I think there are roads, no? Like that?
Yeah, okay. Going towards.
Oh, we are going towards. Oh, okay. The roads are wide. This is literally 8 lanes and people stay in the lane, okay? Like, it is so nice to see. It's been around 1.5 weeks since we're back and I still cannot stop calling out the differences. See, this is what I was talking about. Literally, people use indicators, which is given to use, and nobody will honk. They'll all stay in their lanes and move on in life. In Bombay, it's like everyone wants to be first and nobody ends up reaching their destination on time.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
So we're back home now, and as soon as we came back home, we started watching another movie. Even though we just watched Kalki, we were watching Percy Jackson in the afternoon, and then we wanted to watch the second part, so that's what we did. And then I realized I never told you guys about the movie itself. So I have mixed opinions about Kalki. I don't know what to think about it. It's a really good storyline, okay? I'll give you that. In my opinion, the first half of the movie wasn't the best. Like before the interval, it was not captivating enough. But as soon as the interval got over, and also about the interval, me and Beyonce, like, there are intervals, because in English movies there are no intervals, and it's been a while since we watched a Hindi movie. So the part before the interval had too many fight scenes. Like, the fight scenes were good, okay, but they were too long. Like, just 5 or 10 minutes of just fighting, and I'm not a very big fan of fight scenes, maybe that's why, but I don't know. I like Marvel and like DC and those kind of fights, okay, but not this. And I was expecting it to be like Bahubali, because the hero is the same, right? Bahubali's stunts were just genius. This one was a little extra, but that's my opinion, okay? Maybe you guys like the fight scenes or whatever, but the storyline, you guys, it is beautiful. I really like the story. But anyways, overall, it was a good story. And the graphics, you guys, the graphics is mind-blowing. If you enjoy like CGI and things like that, you must watch this movie. There are certain shots which are so majestic and serene and peaceful. Like, I don't know, okay, being a designer, I really liked that aspect. And Amitabh Bachchan's acting in this, amazing. So all of that, there are really good points about the movie, but there are certain things that were not required as well. But yeah, I do recommend that you watch this movie. It's a good one-time watch. So that was it for today. I'm just going to go to bed now. And another thing, before going on vacation to India, I had recorded my friend's baby shower, which was so exciting. As you guys know, Tanuja, you've seen her on the channel before. She is pregnant, so I am so happy for her. And we had done her baby shower like in, I don't even remember which month it was. It was very, very long time ago. So I did not put that footage, because I was like, where do I put this? And then I got busy with the Bombay vlogs and everything, right? The travel vlogs and all. So I was like, why not put it now? Because these are memories for us. I recorded everything, and it's also a memory for her, right? So I'm gonna put all of that in for you guys after this. And I also did meet my friend Nuha in that same week, I think. This is so long ago, I can't even remember. But yeah, I met her as well after a really long time. So I have footage from that day as well. So you guys will see next me meeting Nuha, and also celebrating with Tanuja and Asfa her baby shower. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I am going to see a really good friend of mine from school. If you guys have been following me for a while now, you have seen her before on the channel, and I think it was last year in the beginning or something. It's been so long since we've met each other, and both of us are here in UAE, but because we're busy with our own lives, it's kind of hard to match up a schedule and, you know, meet. She was like, it doesn't make sense not meeting for so long, and I agreed with her. So today, that's where I'm going. I'm wearing a summer outfit. It is getting super hot now. I'm just going to pair it with these basic nude heels, because this matches everything and it is super comfy. And then for my jewelry, I've gone for these cute little earrings, and I also have my other piercing. So that's just a simple like hoop earring. I don't change that quite often because I'm scared it'll close off. It's a new piercing, so I don't want to take the chances. And yeah, that is my outfit. I still have about, what is the time? It is going to be 3 in like 15 minutes, so I have to meet her at 3:30, so I still have time. I'll pack my bag and like do all of that stuff. Anyways, I will see you guys soon. her and she's driving beautifully, of course. It's so smooth and everything. And it's so exciting. Like, I remember in school we used to be like, oh my gosh, when we get license, we'll go around like on road trips and all. And then the time is finally here. Like, she has a license.
5 years
so
later.
exciting. Yeah, 5 years later. This is my first time sitting in her car, and I'm not the last one. I just confirmed. I was like, man, this is the last one. So yeah, that is also exciting. So right now the plan is that we are going in the area only. We're going to the mall, and we have not decided which restaurant we're going to eat at. So we were even thinking of eating from the Spinneys section itself, something, and then Nuha was like, no, let's go out. So we're going there, and that was like an excuse to go with her in the car also. So I like that part. So yeah, I will update you guys once we are in some restaurant, and I'll show you guys the food and everything. A few days later since I went to meet Nuha at Spinneys and at that restaurant. We enjoyed the food so much, and I did not record that much because we literally met after more than a year, and we had so much to talk to each other about that it didn't even cross my mind to like pick up the camera. You know, I was enjoying the conversation so much. So yeah, that I have very less footage from that day, but I had the best time meeting her, and I hope we continue to meet often. Yeah, I love meeting my friends. Anyways, as you can tell, I am dressed up again, and I was in the middle of getting ready. Actually, I'm almost done. I just have to put my shoes on because I am going to meet Tanuja and Asfa. And this is a very, very special video because it is Tanuja's baby shower. She's pregnant, you guys. I am so excited and happy for her. So please wish her congratulations in the comments down below. So the plan is that we're gonna have the baby shower very low-key, like intimate, just me, Tanuja and Asfa at Asfa's house, and we're gonna decorate the place and everything. This was such a last-minute plan. Like, me and Asfa literally like 3 days ago we were like, let's do something for her, and we started planning with the decor and everything. And I suggested that we do gold because we are not going to find out the gender. It's gonna be a secret, a surprise. So gold was the best option because silver I'm not a very big fan of. So I was like, gold is the best. So yeah, that is the plan. I will show you guys the behind the scenes of how we decorate everything and how the setup looks. And I hope she's surprised because Asfa has tried so hard to get her to her house. So by lying and making up stories and blah blah blah. So hopefully she has no clue that this is going on. So I am finally inside the car. We are on our way to Asfa's house. But before we go to Asfa's house, I'm going to make a quick stop to Dunkin' Donuts because I want to take something for her and her family, because when you go visiting to somebody's house you need to take something. And so we're going to do that first, and then I have the cake, I have the sash. Those were the two things that I had to do. So I have everything this time. I didn't forget anything. That is the update for now. Once I reach Asfa's house, I'll show you guys the behind the scenes and everything. Guys, look at this. I think there's something burning. We are waiting at the signal right now, and Nara thought it was clouds. It was supposed to be rainy, so that's why we got confused. I hope everything's okay. Asfa's place now, and we are currently setting everything up. We bought a certain kind of, like, what is this called? Backdrop, no? And we thought it is lengthways. I'll show you guys what the situation is. But we found out an idea. Asfa's like, we'll just cut it off and we'll put it. So that's what we're doing. Oh, my father's calling me. 1 second. That's what I was talking about. We thought this whole thing is going to be long, but then it's how is it? It's long width-wise. It's not height-wise. So we found a solution. We cut this into 4 pieces, and we're gonna like stick it below each other.
So I was saying, like, rather than putting it over here, we can put a little up.
Okay.
So basically this will cover this.
Like behind it, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like
yeah.
this.
Yeah. So perfect. It looks nice.
Okay.
Yeah. Look what Asfa's doing. She's tying it up with a scrunchie so that it's easier for us. Okay, we're going to let it open. Wow, so fun. So here is the final setup. This is how the backdrop looks. And now we have to blow up balloons. And here there'll be a table, so that's why we're not going all the way to the ground. So yeah, this is a little bit of it. So currently we are struggling to tie the balloons because both of us have nails and yeah, we're scared it'll pop.
It's not happening.
Oh my god. You can do it, come on. Now the air will only go off. We have 3 blown up. No, how many?
2.
2 blown up. Oh my gosh. Okay.
I
we're
broke
struggling.
my nail. I broke.
It broke?
Yeah.
No.
See?
Shoot.
Okay, just fill these up and I'll ask
Okay.
the bomb.
We successfully blew up all the balloons and Asfa's mother helped us tie it, so we're good in that department. But Asfa cut her nail off and like she just filed it, so that was a mishap, but that's okay. Okay, so we're currently calling Tanuja to see where she is because it's past the time already.
Probably she's driving.
Yeah, maybe. Here is our final setup. It looks so pretty. We kind of struggled with this balloon arch. Asfa came up with something and it somehow worked. It looks so pretty.
You know, I noticed something which
Huh?
we should have done. It should have been in reverse, like the
Yeah, gold,
transparent
transparent.
Ones, yeah, the transparent ones should have been down, and the
Yeah,
other ones
because
should be,
up there
yeah,
it looks...
should be in reverse. Because
okay. Now
it's
we are
fine. Now-
tainted.
now-
We're not touching it now.
now we're not teasing it at all.
Yeah. And here's the table. So when she stands behind there, you won't even see this part of it. So that's why we didn't go all the way down. And Asfa got her flowers. And there's a funny story about this. She got her flowers, which is purple in color, and there's a sash here. And the cake also is purple-ish, like purple blue. I didn't want to make it pink or blue because we don't know the gender. So I was like, when you mix the two, you get purple. And we didn't even discuss, Asfa and I, it just turned out that she got purple flowers and I got a purple cake. So here's the final setup. I'm going to show you guys quickly because Tanuja is literally almost here. So here's the cake. I will show you guys later on everything. So I'm just going to set up the camera now.
Oh, you know, you have to get ready and then
Huh.
come. Some of the guests are coming. That time I got you know.
No.
Put your hand through this. फिर से okay.
She's making us change. Okay, correct. Either side is correct, no? Doesn't matter actually.
See, they're gonna see it from this side now. So it's like
Okay, easier to read, correct. Okay. It candles.
whatever mom wants.
And that is it for today's vlog. I hope all of you enjoyed. I know this vlog is a little messy because I added footage from a few months back. But anyways, I will see you all in the next video. Bye!